Hi everyone, my name is Jeanette McDonald and I am with Habitat for Humanity HOPE program. I am the certified housing counselor that works in the HOPE program, and I wanted to take a second to talk with you a little bit about your credit score. So if you look up here, I drew a pie graph that represents your FICO or your credit score, and I want to talk a little bit about what is it that makes up that credit score, which will then help you to decide what you need to do to improve your score. So if you take a look at the percentages I have around here, the biggest piece of this pie is 35%, which represents your payment history. What payment history is exactly that. What is your track record? How are you paying your bills on time? How many times have you been late? If you look up here then, 30%, or the next thing that affects your credit score the most, is your amount owed. How much of your available credit are you using? If you have $1,000 worth of available credit, are you using $1,000 of it, or are you using less than that? Obviously, the less of your credit that's being used, the better that reflects on your credit score. The next thing I want to talk about then is 15%, which is the length of credit history. How long have you had credit? Lenders want to know. They want to be able to see how long you've had credit, and this way they have a better idea of what that history looks like, what your payment history looks like. So those are the three things that affect the score the most. If you want to talk more about this, give me a call. I can schedule an individual financial coaching appointment with you, and we can sit down, we can pull your credit score, and we can look at your credit report, and we can look at it one-on-one and decide what you need to do to help you reach your financial goals. The other thing you can do is you can sign up for my financial workshops or my home buyer education workshops. And in that workshop, one of the things that we talk about is your credit score, what makes up your credit score, and what you can do credit-wise to help you get ready for home ownership. Please contact me with any questions you may have. Thank you.